Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss how to improve English speaking confidently, easy English tips. Hello everyone, do you understand English but feel nervous while speaking? Do you want to speak confidently and fluently? If yes, this video is just for you. Today I will share a simple and effective tips to improve English. Okay, so let's start. Tips number 1, improve your listening. First, improve your listening. The first step to speak English is listening. Watch English videos and movies. Okay, start with subtitles, then slowly remove them. Okay, listen to English podcast or news. Then more you listening, the better you will speak. Okay, next step is speak every day. Okay, you must speak English every day. Speak in front of mirror, talk to yourself about your day, describe what you are doing in English. Remember, marking mistake is normal. Okay, if you don't make a mistake, you want to learn. Tips number 3, read in English. Reading helps you learn new words or correct sentence. Read short stories, read simple English news. Even one page a day is enough. Okay, one page a day is enough. Okay, next step is learn 5 new words daily. Target, learn 5 new words daily. Learn only 5 new words every day. Example word is confident. Okay, so I can use this word in the sentence. I feel confident when I speak English. Always use new words in sentence. Okay, next step, tips number 5, write a little every day. Writing improves your grammar. Write 4 to 5 lines about your day. Write what you learned today. Use tools like Grammarly to check mistake. Okay, next step, think in English. Stop translating from your language to English. Instead of thinking this is a chair, not think directly this is a chair. Okay, this will improve fluency very fast. And next step, 30 minutes daily routine. 30 minutes daily routine. Just 30 minutes every day. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading or writing. Follow this daily and your English will improve. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment, I want to speak English confidently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.